I'm Jake Bollinger. We've lived up here in the Northland of Kansas City now for almost 10 years, and our house is 4,699 square feet. We've got a 1.5 level with a full finished basement. We have a nice pool in the back and done a lot of improvements to the house since we've been here. So we had an old system and the blower motor went out. So it started squealing pretty loud. Upon some further investigation, I realized that our condensate line was draining off the back of the unit. So it had done significant rust damage to the interior of the unit. So it was time to replace it all. I was looking for the best technology that's out there currently. And I was looking for something that's gonna last me over the next, at minimum 12 to 20 years. Something that's gonna be a good, I can sleep at night and I don't have to worry about my system failing. Yeah, so I reached out to a friend of mine who's very familiar with the Navien system. I asked him for some recommendations and he walked me through the whole system, and I felt very comfortable with the newer technology, so we went ahead and went forward with the install. It is the highest level technology that's out on the market now today. So to be able to get it for an affordable price as well that's comparable to the rest of the market was a huge advantage for us. It was only a 2-day install. The guys were in and out, everything was professional and clean. I'm very impressed with the install company and their workmanship, and even more impressed with the technology. So we have a 3-ton and a 5-ton NAZ system that are feeding our entire house. So the 5-ton system manages the main level and the basement, and the 3-ton unit manages the upstairs and basically auxiliary support. In our basement, we have 2 NPF furnace systems, and one of them is 100,000 BTU, the other is 60,000 BTU that feeds our entire house. So since the installation, I think the #1 benefit would be the response time. So we have learning thermostats, and what I will say was with our old system, it would take a significantly longer amount of time for our house to cool down, specifically since we've installed the pool and since it's starting to get warm outside. Ever since then, the price for electricity has gone up, yet our bills have not gone up, so that's been very beneficial for us. I will say that this system is significantly quieter, both inside and outside. It's considerably lesser noise pollution in the basement. Specifically, that's our home theater area. That's where we like to watch movies and stuff, so it's been much quieter. The nice thing is there's very little maintenance, so we do have to fill it up with water from time to time, but the system's been installed for almost 6 months now and I haven't had to touch it. So it's obviously very low maintenance, which is beneficial to us as a busy family. Yeah, one thing that I've noticed is the responsiveness of this unit. So we've had it installed since this basically late winter. So we were able to take advantage of some of the heat aspects of it as well as the cooling. So now we've kind of seen both seasons. It is amazing how the comfort level is very seamless with this system. Once we set our learning thermostat to where it needs to be, it keeps it right where it needs to be, and it's very responsive. So we're in the Northland of Kansas City area, and our temperature range is anywhere from 10 below zero in the cold of winter to 110 degrees during the summertime. So we see a big fluctuation in every direction, and we can see a 40 to 50 degree temperature drop in a single day or temperature raise in a single day. So knowing that we have a system that's very responsive is a good peace of mind.